Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got some fantastic news. The people at SDRplay, who produce fantastic SDRs, software-defined radios, have just come up with a new revision of the basic RSP1. It's the 1B. It was a 1, a 1A, and 1B. I have all of their SDRs. They were kind enough to send them to me for a review, and I really like their products. As a matter of fact, the RSP DX is my main SDR radio that I use all the time. So now they come with a 1B. I have, like I say, I have the RSP1, the 1A. The 1A was a fantastic SDR, and now they've made some revisions and they come out with a 1B. The 1B has a steel case instead of plastic, has significant noise performance over various bands, including HF. It's $133 US, which includes tax and shipping. And like I say, I've forgotten how to talk. I've reviewed all their previous products, and so you can go back and see those. You can go back and see my review of the 1 and the 1A. And down here at the and this is at sdrplay.com/RSP1b/. And if you come down to the bottom, and this is how I found out about it, there's a new video that John just put out introducing the 1A. You can click on here, you can see the video, tells you all about it, all the advantages. I'll pause it here.
Hi, I'm Georgie.
I'll pause it here. I say, here's the same thing I told you before. Steel case, lower noise performance, low price, which the 1 series has been their cheapest. And it uses their software, and it's made in the UK. So check it out. If you don't have an SDR and you want to get into SDRs, this is one of the best. Much, much better than the ones you get for like $50 or less. This is unbelievably better. Thanks for watching, and I'm hoping John will send me one for review. I don't think I'll buy one since I own all their others, but if he'll send me one for review, I would be glad to do a review. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.